Hey everyone, welcome to Answer Your Quiz. In this video, we will be playing the 3 gift box challenge. Black, blue and pink. Please don't forget to subscribing and turn on your bell notification. Let's begin. First gift. Choose your home. Awesome. Choose your laptop. Great job. Choose your celebrity. Which one did you choose? Choose your motorcycle. Great job. Choose your jewelry. How was it? Choose your headphones. Were you lucky or not? Choose your tattoo. This is the result. Choose your car. Are you satisfied? Choose your football player. How is your luck? Choose your saving. Good job. Choose your bicycle. Awesome. Choose your TV. Great job. Choose your shows. Which one did you choose? Choose your bathroom. How was it? Choose your pen. Awesome. Choose your handbag. Which one did you choose? Choose your dessert. This is the result. Choose your outfit. How was it? Choose your sunglasses. Great job. Choose your ice cream. Awesome. Choose your dance. Which one did you choose? Choose your ring. This is the result. Choose your office. Awesome. Choose your AirPods. Which one did you choose? Choose your burger. Choose your gaming chair. Awesome. Choose your body. Choose your gaming mouse. Choose your pizza. Your pet. Awesome. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.